Good morning everyone, welcome to Trains at Lockerbie Station, and to kick things off we have 397010 working the 1029 Transpennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Glasgow Central. Quickly on his heels is 397009 working the 1035 Transpennine Express service from Preston through to Edinburgh Waverley. Giving a nice tone through the station will be 390118, working 1 Sierra 42 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Glasgow Central. Departing next from the station will be 397003, working the 1110 Transpennine Express service from Edinburgh Waverley through to Preston. Next passing through the station 7 minutes late is 390129, working 9 Sierra 44 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Edinburgh Waverley. Making its way out of the goods loop is 56096 and 56105, working 6 Zulu 36 from Dalston Oil Terminal to Grangemouth Iron EOS. Next to race its way through the station is 390011, working 1 Mike 11 for Avanti West Coast from Glasgow Central through to London Euston. Arriving next into the station 7 minutes late is 397005, working the 1138 Transpennine Express service from Preston through to Glasgow Central.
I'll get the photos on the way.
Next racing its way through the station is 390-107, working 9 Mike 54 for Avanti West Coast from Edinburgh Waverley to London Euston via Birmingham New Street. Next to come out of the sidings and trundle through the station is 40013, hauling 1 Zulu 13 for locomotive services from Crewe through to Inverness. And here comes our train in the form of 397002 to take us to our next station, working the 1210 Transpennine Express service from Glasgow Central through to Preston. Calf goodness. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.